Hello everyone, welcome to GK today. My name is Utbasrar Sheikh and we are going to discuss about the topic India's first social impact bonds. So the Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation and the United Nations Development Programme signed a memorandum of understanding to create the first social impact bond of India. Now let's discuss what are social impact bonds. So basically a social impact bond is also called pay for success bond or pay for success financing. A social impact bond is basically a contract with public sector authority where it pays for better social outcomes. It is a form of outcome based contracting and it aims at improving social outcomes for a specific group of citizens. So now let's discuss about the key features of a social impact bonds. So basically they operate over a fixed period of time and they do not provide fixed rate of return. The outcome of social impact bonds is completely dependent on success of social outcome. They are not affected by variables such as reinvestment risk, interest rate risk or market risk. They are subjected to inflation risk, and it is hard to determine the success of a social impact bonds as they are based on social impacts. Now, what are the significance of a social impact bonds? So basically, the trend of investing in social environment and society has increased in recent years. It has become a way for investors to give back to the community and companies to expand their social responsibility. And this will help to improve community awareness and involvement in social issues. So the social impact bonds seek social environmental governance criteria or ESG criteria. Now, what is ESG criteria? So, let's discuss the following. Now, let's discuss what is the ESG criteria of a social impact bonds. So, the environmental, social, and governance criteria are three central factors that measures the sustainability and ethical impact of the company. And it is the duty of the company to take care of three central factors, and the three central factors are as follows: environmental factors such as greenhouse gas emission, resource depletion, pollution, deforestation, climate change, etc. Secondly, the social factors such as working conditions, health, safety, employee relations, and conflict. And the third criteria is governance factors such as tax strategy, donations, political lobbying, executive remuneration, bribery, corruption, and structure.